This is the island of Japan. One of the most famous mountains in Japan is Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is also an active volcano. Like many other East Asia countries, Japan is a large producer of rice. This is a rice field. Other than places for agriculture, Japan also has many cities. This is a picture of Tokyo. Tokyo is one of the largest cities in Japan. This is the Japanese flag. The Japanese flag is made up of a white rectangle in the back and a red circle. The Japanese flag is commonly referred to as Nisoki, which means rising sun flag. This is Yukio Hatoyama. He is the Prime Minister of Japan. He was elected in September 2009. The Prime Minister of Japan is the equivalent to the President of the United States. This is Natsume Soseki. He was born on February 9, 1867. He is considered one of the best Japanese writers. He is also on the 1,000 yen. This is Takeda Shinjin. He was born on December 1, 1521. He is one of the most famous warlords in Japanese history, and people still remember him today. He is also known as the Tiger of Kai for his martial prowess on the battlefield. This is ramen. Ramen is a Japanese noodle dish served in meat or fish-based broth. It's often flavored with shoyu or miso. Sometimes it is topped with pork, like char siu, or vegetables. This is a chirashi. A chirashi is a Japanese dish with sushi rice at the bottom and multiple kinds of fish, such as sashimi or raw fish. This is a bento. A bento is a typical Japanese takeout meal. It consists of rice, meat or fish, and vegetables. One of the problems in Japan is with Toyota. Toyota has problems with the braking systems in popular cars such as the Prius hybrid. They also have problems with sticky gas pedals in some of their popular models like the Camry and Corolla. Toyota has known about this problem for a few years, but didn't tell anyone until recently when they had a recall in January that included 21 million cars. Because Toyota was hiding this problem, the US government is fining Toyota $16 million. There are many periods in Japan's history. One period is the Heian period. This period lasted from 794 to 1185. This period is the final period of classical Japanese history. In this period, there was a lot of literature, and some of the oldest recorded books came from this period. Today, Japan is led by Prime Minister Yukio Hatoyama. Like in America, there are two groups, the Democratic Party of Japan and the Liberal Democratic Party. Yukio Hatoyama is a Democrat.